Good afternoon, buddy. Kumusta? I wanted to share something interesting to you today. Kahapon, it was my off day from work. So, I went to the gym and had some routine exercises which I was already doing on previous years. But recently, nahinto ako na mag-gym because when my son was born 2 years ago, he had some hectic time, and as we all know, being a dad is kind of challenging and kind of it gets too much away of your time to spend with your son. And being a father, a son, a husband, and an employee, you can only do so much. So ngayon, it took a toll on my health. So I went back to the gym to manage my weight and manage my health. So tinanong niya ako, so why do I keep on going back to the gym yesterday? It actually didn't occur to me na because the question is it was kinda, for me it was rhetoric kung ba't nag-gym daw ako ulit. But as she was posing, she was insinuating that if I'm trying to get buff, to be healthy and have to be attractive for some of the girls. But here's the exact reason why I went back to the gym and tried to manage my time with exercises. And mind you, I already lost 7 kilograms of weight since October. I was overweight for 2 years. I mean, not just 2 years. When pandemic hit, there it started. So I was on a normal weight. I gained some weight through the pandemic, continued until my son was born 2 years ago. My son is 2 and 3 months now. So actually naisip ko, the only philosophy na ba't ako nag-exercise, trying to be active, not just in the gym, but if I can squeeze in any of my schedule to be active, maglalakad, especially in my work, nasa field ako, and I'm very thankful na nasa field ako because I get to walk every day and I get to be active after, even though I drive 70 or 60% of the time. After that, I can walk if malayo yung parking, go to my clients. But it's the reason is, some of us says we can die, or I can make my family live a wonderful life if it kills me. Says everyone. So sabi nila, yung kaya mo makipagpatayan para mabuhay yung pamilya. But it's for me, I realize it's the other way around. Are you willing to live longer? Are you willing to be more healthy, to be with them and give them a wonderful life with you? Mas maganda yung na-experience nila yung life, the lifestyle that you want for them, and be there for them for a longer period of time so they can enjoy more. It's because of the lifestyle and the economic benefits and lahat-lahat na ng aspects kung bakit pa tayo nagtatrabaho. But some of us are too indulged with work, and we can't blame it. There are works na, or there are jobs na very demanding talaga sa time, which includes the kind of job that we have. But in between, I try to squeeze in being active. So yun, longevity and being active, yun lang talaga yung reason ko. Kasi what if we don't know our time here on earth? What if tomorrow wala na? What if the other day or 2 days from now we encounter some circumstances? So we will not know what happens. Only the higher one, only God will know kung hanggang kailan tayo mabubuhay. And so being active and being in control of those things that you can control is very important for me, like exercises, managing stress, although it's very, very demanding. But I try to advocate that we should have time for ourselves. We should have time for exercises, and that's what I'm encouraging her also to do. So although she has a very demanding job in a bank, ganun din, as of now, she's really trying to squeeze in the time, pero they have extended hours at work. So parang as of now, I'm trying to make a program with her na kaya at least on a weekend, of being a weekend warrior, Saturday, Sunday. Kaya nga sabi nila, any movement is better than none. 'Di ba? Kung hindi ka nag-exercises, sedentary ka, after 10 years, 15 years, ma-accumulate na yun. Pag hindi nangyari yun, there will come a time that circumstances will force you na magkaroon ka ng lifestyle diseases. So sa akin, I'm trying to prolong it and hopefully to avoid it by establishing habits of exercise every day. So yun lang talaga yung reason ko, but nag-gym ako. So I just wanted to share with you that today, and that's it. Good morning, make your day.